Do you want to round a number in Excel? Either eliminate a couple of decimals or even get the closest 100,000 or even million, and you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Here we have a very big number. It's 10,123,415 with 5 decimals, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The function we will use is called round. So what it does is that it rounds a number to a specific number of digits. And if we use it, you'll see that it's 2 arguments. The first one is the number that you want to round to a specific amount of digits. This could be a cell reference to the B3 cell. Let's lock it with F4 because we're gonna copy it downwards. And in the second argument, you choose how many digits do you want to have. And with a positive number, you tell Excel how many decimals you want to have. And with a negative number, as you will see soon, you tell Excel how you want it to round to the closest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and 1 million. In this case, when we want to have 2 decimals, we just select positive 2. And you see here that the decimals 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 now rounds to 2 decimals, 1, 2. If we copy this one downwards, we change the 2 to be 0. That means that we want a whole number. So this is the closest whole number that we get from this number up here. And now if you want to round to the closest 100 or 1 million, just see how many zeros there are and then write negative and the amount of zeros. So the closest 100 will be -2 and 1 million will be -6 because there are 6 zeros in 1 million. And here you have 10 million, which is the closest when you round this number up here. But I want to tell you one more thing before we end, and that's the round. You see there are 2 more functions, round down or round up. For example, this number you want to round it always to the closest 1 million above or 1 million below. Then you can use round up or round down, and it works very similar. I think you will figure it out by yourself just by watching how I did with the round function. And that is how you round numbers in Excel.